Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fold down rear seats in 2026 Volkswagen Taos. This is gonna apply to Volkswagen Taos made from 2022 and to present. If this video helps, please like, share and subscribe. If you check top of your rear seat, right in this corner, you will see this lever. So you wanna push it in and then pull this seat forward. And now you have much more cargo space. To put it back up, simply lift it up and press it in. And it is the same thing on the other side. Locate this lever, push it in, and then pull seat forward. To put it back, simply push it in. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.